swag, bitch.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the build. I just ordered some stuff from C1, as you can see. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is actually just get this out of the way. This is the clutch stopper, rubber clutch stopper. Mine broke off and I couldn't start my car. It was because this thing fell off. So I just got a new one. It's only $2.60 on C1. Next thing is I got a new fuel pump, automotive fuel pump, and I'm gonna be using my OEM basket. Finally, I'm gonna be able to read my fuel level and also make sure that the pump works. Because I don't know, that the other fuel pump looks like it was losing fuel pressure. So hopefully with this one we sort everything out. Next thing is the splitter port. The cool thing about this one is that it's aluminum, so it's not gonna crack, and the top has a adapter to use a sensor, so I can use a water temp gauge. So that's why I went ahead and just bought the water temp gauge, and hopefully I can install all of this today. We will see if I have enough time. Hey guys, so I'm putting the new fuel pump in. This is the automotive 340. I did this one myself. This is using my old fuel basket, and this is the one that I had in the car. Not sure why he cut so many wires, but yeah, this is the old one that didn't read the gas. Hopefully my old one now works. So yeah, just gonna put it right now inside the car, and hopefully I did everything right and it should work. I forgot to give an update on the car, but yeah, yesterday I installed my water temp gauge, so I can keep track of the coolant temps. That way I know if the car is getting too hot to do a pull or run or whatever, and I can let it chill. So that's very important. It was kind of a pain in the ass because I already have 3 gauges here, so as you can see, I couldn't even put this back all the way, and it's kind of hanging here, but all 3 of them work perfectly fine. Well, my air fart sensor is a little off. I'm probably gonna have to take it off and clean it, if not get a new one. But my water temp gauge is working perfectly fine. My boost gauge is working perfectly fine. For my water temp gauge, I did the same thing, and I just routed all the cables through the dash. Which was pretty easy, just a little time consuming. But what took me the longest was just pulling this pillar, because every time I would put this pillar, the boost gauge sensor will come off. So then I will turn the ignition on, and it wouldn't show anything, obviously. And I thought it was something with the power here, like maybe I was putting too much bolt, taking too much bolt from the fuse, but no, it's fine. So I'm running all 3 gauges on 1 fuse. Hopefully that's good. And then I was gonna do it today, but I'm like the type of person that needs to get things done right away, and I installed my new fuel pump. So as you guys are gonna see, I can see my fuel level now. I installed a smaller fuel pump. I don't really need a big fuel pump right now. And yeah, in the future I'm just gonna buy a new one, a bigger one, whenever I'm ready to make more power, but that's probably not gonna be until next year, so I'm not too worried about that. So other than the water temp gauge and the fuel pump, I'll also install the bleeder port. Talk about this already, but let me show you guys. It's aluminum. I have to put a little bit of Teflon tape on the sensor because as you can see it's leaking a little bit of coolant, but I mean just easy fix. But yeah, I bought a new aluminum bleeder port from C1 because the one that I had, let me see if I can show you. So this is my old one, and as you can see I stripped the plastic. So yeah, plus I heard that these things tend to crack, and it was only $34, and it already came with the adapter for the water temp cage, and I knew I was gonna need that anyways in the future, so it was kind of a no-brainer to get both things at the same time. Shout out to C1, they shipped this thing quick. I think I ordered on Friday and I got it Monday, so yeah, super quick shipping. And that was like with the most basic shipping option that they had. I also bleed my system, so coolant's still good, no bubbles. I put the stickers from the gauge and the sticker from the fuel pump, so that's the fuel pump that I have, and the AEM from all three of my gauges. So thankfully I now have a sticker because my air fryer came with when I bought the car. The previous owner gave it to me, and my boost gauge I bought it used, and now this one I got a brand new. Just because it's probably a little harder to find, and I kind of want it already. You know, I was already gonna do all this. Might as well get the gauge out of the way. So yeah, car's running pretty good. My tuner said that the car was losing fuel pressure, most likely because of the old fuel pump and the old fuel pump setup. Like I couldn't even read my gas for some reason. I don't know if it was done incorrectly or what, but yeah, hopefully with this new fuel pump the car's gonna be set. Well, other than that, guys, I still need to fix a couple things on the Z, so you guys know, my passenger door handle left the shop, and she's still leaking a little bit from the oil pan spacer. It could be both, could be the oil pan itself and the spacer, but it's the bottom one. It's not that much. Like I've been driving the car around and I keep checking the oil, and it doesn't seem to be a lot. So yeah, I just need to fix that. It's not a big issue. And then the other thing is my power steering pump. I'll probably gonna have to remove it because the bracket that goes to a reservoir, it it leaks a lot from there, so it has a big leak there. And every time I put power steering, when I rotate the steering wheel, it creates a loud sound from the power steering pump, and it bubbles up. So like my leak is coming from there. I've seen the power steering leak. In fact, most of that, no, not most of this, because this is also from the AC, a little bit oil, a little bit of coolant that I spilled yesterday when I was changing the bleeder port, because I had to drain the coolant and I was putting it back on a bottle of coolant that I had already. So just brand new coolant. I'm not gonna buy another coolant bottle when I already have the coolant in the car, or when the coolant is brand new. So yeah, I still need to fix those things, but I mean I can still drive the car with the probably the biggest thing is just like getting the oil fix, and then probably when I upgrade my radiator, I will remove the power steering pump and check what's up with that bracket. But other than that, pretty happy with the car. Yeah, definitely can't wait to take it to a meet. Can't wait to finish the tune. And she's feeling pretty good right now. When I was driving it, I felt like she was craving for more power. So hopefully we can get that done today.